Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to see date and time function. In this Excel, I have one table. In this table, I have updated all the functions. Let's see one by one. The first one, today function, put equal, type today, open bracket, close bracket, enter. So now we get the today date. 2/20/2024 is a today date. Okay. So why we should use today function instead of typing the manual? So when we are using the today function, if you open this Excel by tomorrow, the date will change automatically. So that's the reason we are using these functions instead of typing everything manually. Let's try now function. Put equal, type now, open bracket, close bracket, enter. So when we use the now function, we get it date and time. Okay, so along with the date, we have time when we use now functions. So let's try another one, day function. Put equal, type day, open bracket, select. I have the existing date here. I am going to select this date and then close bracket, enter. So here you can see, so 20 is the date, 2/20/2024. Here 2 is month, 20 is date, and 2024 is year. So I'm going to change 20 into 2. Now you can see the functions changed to 2. So when we this type of 2 is date, 2 is month. So without this function, if we see this date, we may get confused which is date and which is month. So that's the reason we are using this day functions. So if we use day function, we can get the exact date from date. Let's try the month function. Put equal month, open bracket, select the date, close bracket, enter. So here 2 is month, 20 is date, 2024 is year. So 2 is month. It is correct. Let's try year function. Put equal, type year, open bracket, select the date, close bracket, enter. So here you can see the year is 2024. So this is how we should use year function. Let's try the date function. As usual, put equal, type date, open bracket. Here you can see it is asking year, month, date. So in this table already I have year, month, and then day. I am going to use this value. I am going to select the year, comma, I am going to select month, comma, and then day, and then close bracket, enter. So now, so the date function, we can accumulate the day, month, year. So that's why we are using the date function. Hope you all are understand how to use date and time function. If you like this video, please share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.